Hi Pisceans, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. And we are here to know what September has in store for you. So this coming month, September, what will happen with the Pisceans? Alright, let's see. Let me meditate a little. Tarot cards, please tell me what are your messages for the Pisceans for this month of September. So Pisces are people who are born between Feb 22 to March 21. Alright. So if you know someone who's a Piscean, please share this video. Please subscribe to the channel so that I'll be putting such more videos every month. So you will know what each month has in store for you. And even the other zodiac signs are already there in my videos. You can share them as well. Right. Nice. All right. Again, uh, this month you will be thinking more about money than anything else. Okay. You'll be thinking very much about money. Okay. Uh, you'll be a little insecure where it comes to money. Uh, you might feel that you've invested the wrong way. Uh, or you'll think a lot of profit and loss, even in relations for that matter. Or you will think about profit and loss even in friendships. So you will always have this question, why did I even make, make an, why did I even go and do friendship with this person? This person behaved like this. I did so much for this person, but he didn't do anything in return. So this is a very profit and loss kind of a situation. You might think that in intimate relations, you might think that in close relations, I'm doing so much for my mother, but my brother is not doing. So this whole month will be very profit and loss kind of a month. It will be very much about money. Uh, I would just like to advise that it's fine to be in search of money, but somehow your perception towards it for this month is not very good. It's in the wrong direction. You want to go to China, but you're going to Japan. So you can achieve whatever you feel like, but this insecurity of money is what I am seeing for this whole month. You should not be very insecure about money. You should be really surrendering to the divine. Don't calculate too much. Don't calculate what will be my profit and loss. Okay, this is not the month that you would calculate. If any month is there where you really need to calculate, I will be giving you that guidance. But this is not that month. You have to really surrender. Um, a young person might get you into some problem. This is one more message that I am getting. Um, even in relations, somehow you are thinking with a lot of agendas. Even in relations, you are thinking a lot about should I meet this person? Should I go for a party with this person? Will I benefit? Should I go to this conference? Will I benefit? Should I, this person has called me for dinner. Should I go and talk about my idea or my tender? So please don't do this. This is not the month. This is not the energy. This will not fructify. It will backfire. So overall, see, relations are good. Your perception is very profit and loss, and that's creating a problem. So ever any relation will create a problem, think about me and think about this reading that I'd already told you. This is a time that you really surrender, have fun, be enthusiastic. All right, September is a festival month. Huh. So that was majorly about relations. Again, see, even in money, if any bad news comes, it will be only because you have taken a wrong decision and um, you were actually supposed to go the correct way, but you went the wrong way. You took a lot of maybe impulsive decisions, or you took a lot of calculated decisions or whatever. You have to just revive, sit calm and surrender to the divine. You can affirm this. I surrender to the divine 9 times every day. Yeah, you can also affirm I surrender my money condition to the divine 9 times as a set any time in a day. That will really help you. Okay, so even if any money loss, don't worry. If there is a loss, tomorrow there will be profit. So even if there is any loss, there are two well-arranged cups behind you. So it's okay. It's fine. Sometimes you in cricket also you just play the played batting. Not every time you can put up with sixers. Fine. Career will be again fine. Career is fine for people in education, for people in research, for people in planning, strategic planning, analysis. A very, very, very good time. Very, very, very good time. Very good time for academics as well. But a very thought academic, not a. You really have to study. That's what I mean to say. You really have to push yourself even for your academic study. But career seems very nice. Career seems very good. Health, you might risk your health by eating wrong, by thinking wrong, by not doing your tests regularly. All right. See, I can tell you, you are this time in only for this month, you might be indulging into wrong thinking patterns, and that's all you need to correct. So by the next month when I remove your cards, they'll be amazing cards, I'm sure. And even these are not bad cards. I always say that every circumstance gives you an experience and every experience makes you learn something. So this is the time to learn. Then there'll be some time where you experience something amazing. Here also you will be experiencing good career, you will be experiencing good money, not a problem at all. But only when you look at these experiences in the correct way. Somehow you're not able to look at these experiences in the correct way, and that is why these cards are a little upright and reverse. Some cards are reverse, yes. So do not take risks. Do not take risks. Do not take impulsive decisions, and do not be a miser in relations. And don't always think of profit and loss. This is a time that you just stay calm. Let the storm pass. Let us go into the next month and let us see what the next month has. And what I know is this is not the time to travel also. So there's a burden card where it comes to travel. I don't say that if it is inevitable, don't go anywhere, but you go with a lot of protection. Go with black tourmaline in your car, and go with your protection sprays. There are protection sprays. Yeah, you can also use a selenite. All right, in your car. Okay, this is a selenite. So anytime you use a selenite, you always say cleanse, 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 cleanse. So you can cleanse yourself. Even for money, that whatever we are talking about, you could use money candles. See, there are certain therapy candles. This is a rupee candle. All right. If you burn this on a Thursday or a Saturday, a lot of money problems get solved. Dollar candles are also there. Normal green candles are there. Then there are coins, feng shui coins that you could use. You could use switch codes, divine codes. If you need any such kind of a prescription, definitely meet us. And anyway, I've given you a lot of tips in this video also. You could also use a rose quartz. Take your photo and put a rose quartz on that photo. So this is a flower. The rose quartz, all the crystals come in different shapes. You could use a pyramid shape, or you could use a tumble, or even you could use a bracelet if you feel like. Put it on your photo so that you will calm down. You will get that self love. You will feel loved by people, and you will feel love for the other people, and these problems will get sorted. So I hope, Pisces, you were really happy with this reading. If you know any Pisces, please share, and definitely subscribe to the channel, because every month I'll be giving such readings. And thank you so much. I'll see you soon.